The end of summer is just over a month away, meaning we'll be trading our t-shirts for sweatshirts, shorts for pants, and flip-flops for boots. Some of you may be even thinking of trading in your current ride for something that's better suited for year-round duty in Wisconsin's unpredictable climate. So, today I have two vehicles to showcase that just might fit that need. If you're in the majority of Americans that prefers an SUV or crossover, then this 2021 GMC Acadia SLT may be ideal. It's motivated by a 310 horsepower V6, which is fed through a 9-speed transmission and put to the pavement by an all-wheel drive system with traction select. Cold weather comfort is by way of the standard heated leather bucket seats and an optional heated steering wheel. That comfort is further enhanced with this vehicle's luxury package, equipping the second row buckets with heat and adding ventilation for the front occupants. And the standard remote start will help warm up or cool down your Acadia in any weather. Additionally, this vehicle has been outfitted with 4 brand new tires to unburden your wallet and ease your mind. If you're one of the few drivers out there that still prefers a mid-size sedan, this 2022 Nissan Altima SV will likely catch your eye. Powered by a more tame engine, its 182 horsepower 4-cylinder will get you where you need to go with the thriftiness of a 36 mpg highway rating and the security of Nissan's intelligent all-wheel drive. And its remote start system will ensure your Altima is comfortable inside before you even open the door. Plus, its host of standard safety features such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and 10 total airbags will give you peace of mind you never thought possible. Both of these vehicles are Russ Darrow certified and are ready to be taken home. To see either of these vehicles as well as the rest of our inventory, visit russdarrowdirect.com or swing by at your convenience and see it all for yourself.